Hello guys, in this video I'll share with you the results and processing time of the application we submitted on August 11, 2023 with IELTS overall score of 6 bands. So far we have submitted 4 applications from the authorized representative portal. First application we submitted with IELTS overall 6 and then we made 2 applications with PTE overall 60. In my next video I will share this SOP in front of you which we had submitted with the applications, and I will show you the main points we covered in the SOP. So if you don't want to miss the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, after the new rules came in effect on August 10th, 2023, if you had not watched my previous videos, in those videos I was very clear that the applications could be submitted into SDS without the portal being updated with a letter of explanation, but a lot of people challenged the credibility of those videos. But I am glad that at the end today, the truth has come in front of my audience. We submitted this application on August 11th, 2023 with IELTS score of overall 6 bands. The applicant's intake was in September, so he had no time to waste, and finally we are glad the visa was approved in less than 15 days. There was a lot of confusion after August 10th about filing the application, but we had full trust in the source, which is this book, which includes all the rules and regulations of Canadian immigration. After consulting this book and understanding all the laws associated in the situation, we decided to file the visa application because we had full confidence in our knowledge related to the Canadian immigration system. The SOP which we submitted with this application was the most important part of this application, which got us the visa. If you guys have any questions regarding your visa application or have been refused Canada study permit, you can connect with us at info@mvworldimmigration.com, or you can send us a WhatsApp message. Thanks for watching.